Anyone looking for their fortunes to change on world financial markets today had to be disappointed. Even with the multi-billion-dollar bailout of the U.S. insurance giant intended to keep the wheels of big business turning, nervous investors were everywhere. As one analyst put it, people are scared to death. Both the Toronto Stock Exchange and the Dow Jones in New York were hammered today, dropping nearly 3% and 4% respectively. Across Canada and the U.S., people watched the market turmoil and worried about their shrinking investments and pension plans. And they wondered if there would be more surprises. CTV's John Benavalli-Brown reports.
With the U.S. government stepping in and saving another troubled company, the reaction on Wall Street not what some expected. The Dow taking a nosedive and investors running for the exits.
I want to take my money and put it under my mattress.
In Toronto, plenty of pessimism too, with the TSX tumbling so much it has now erased all of its gains for the last 2 years.
Pretty messy up there. People don't have a safe place to go.
We've been through this before, but this seems to be worse than any other time.
It seems the last-minute rescue of the world's biggest insurance company, AIG, left many wondering if the U.S. government can possibly afford to keep intervening. After saving Bear Stearns and mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, the U.S. Federal Reserve is now loaning AIG a staggering $85 billion.
So the goal has been to take action where necessary to promote stability and strength in the marketplace.
But that marketplace is worried that the mess started by the U.S. housing slump will take out even more companies, further affecting the global economy.
The question is, who else is out there that needs to be saved?
Eyes are now on the largest savings and loan company in the U.S., Washington Mutual, and America's fourth largest banking chain, Wachovia.
I think there's disappointment and still great anxiety about the financial market or the financial system and the possibility of further asset write-downs and further bankruptcies.
And because of exposure to some of the U.S. companies in trouble, Canadian giants Sun Life Financial and Manulife also saw their stock values drop today. One of the few things that was up today, gold, it had its biggest one-day spike ever, up more than $75 an ounce Canadian, as some people moved to park their money into something other than paper. John Benavalli-Brown, CTV News, Toronto.